What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you all had a great week so far. It is Friday, so the weekend is here. Hopefully you guys are finding some good stuff out in the wild. I just got back from Wyoming. I did find some goodies, but we're not going to get through that today because it is that time yet again. We have a mail call. Check this out, guys. 2 packages. Top one is our man Walter over at the Hotline of Diecast. Definitely go check him out, my man. I don't know. Thank you so much for whatever is inside this box. I sent him a package. We kind of sent each other packages a little while back, and then my man was like, you know what, I want to send you something for what you sent. So it's an A-OK turning into kind of a trade, but not really a trade. So again, Walter, thank you so much for whatever is in this box. And then right here, guys, this package is a trade between me and Steve over at Simpleman Mustang Diecast. So I still got to send out your box. It is sitting right over here on the bottom. I got back from Wyoming yesterday, so I haven't been able to do anything as far as sending out your stuff. But definitely stay tuned for that. And of course, guys, I will have both of their links down below. Check them out and support their content, their social media. I'll try to have as much info as I can down below. So let's go ahead and open up the one from Walter and see what's inside. All right, guys, I don't know what to expect. I don't know what this is going to be, but check this out. We got some packing material, very nice. And oh, dude, look at that, guys. Holy crap, Walter. Dude. Oh, that is sick, my man. Check that out, guys. The Ultra Reds from AutoWorld. But you got the 1986 SVO rocking with the Z28 1LE. My man. Dude, that is sick. Oh, that is awesome. That is freaking awesome, guys. Gosh, dude, that is sweet. Only at Target, of course. So this one looks like a Release 3 version B. So it looks like it will be this one right here. No, that's Release 3 version A. Which one is version B? There we go. So the original one was black and blue for the Mustang and Camaro. And my dude sent the chase. God. Man. Walter, my dude, thank you so much, man. God, those look so good. So freaking good, man. Walter, thank you so much, my dude. That is awesome. That is freaking sick. So like I said, guys, check out Walter and the Hotline of Diecast. My dude never fails when he drops the content, man. Always some good stuff. And dude, oh, that is awesome. So moving on to the trade box from Simpleman. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. All right, guys, almost inside the box. Super stoked. Love the trades, man. First part, we do have a letter. Jason, thank you very much for the trades. I have included a few extra goodies that you may not have. If you already have them, feel free to pass them along. Thank you for your service. Steve, Simpleman Mustang Diecast. My dude, thank you so much for the extras, man. Hopefully you didn't send a whole bunch of extras, but I really do appreciate it. So first little bundle on top is, of course, the trade. Here we go. First one in the collection, guys. 1965 Mustang convertible. And this is out of the Motown Metal in red. I have never even seen this. So when we were talking about our trade, I was like, oh my God, I've never even seen that one. Now we have the blue one. The blue one is the one I was always familiar with. We have a short card and a standard long card, but I've never seen the red one. And here we go. Look at that. That is beautiful. Beautiful red. You got the black C stripe, or kind of like a reverse C stripe on this one, with stripes with flames on the hood. Of course, this is the metal on metal opening hood body before the retooling. And yeah, it's got the instant win stuff on here. These were always cool to kind of find. There was always some type of variation to that. Dude, that is awesome, man. Gosh. definitely excited to add that to the collection. And this beauty right here, guys, 1979 Mustang Cobra T5 Chase out of Greenlight. Look at how wicked that is. Oh, that is so freaking gorgeous. It's almost like in an azure blue, which is the Mach 1 color that came out. I don't know if that's the exact one, but it's a little off in shade, so it might not be. But man, Greenlight Chase, man. Awesome freaking addition for this trade. God, that is just a beauty. Now, I do have another T5. It is not the Blue Chase, but it is the mainline version right here. So that is sweet to have the mainline, and of course the Chase is always a freaking bonus. So excited for this one. Again, Steve, thank you so much for the trade for these two. That is just wicked. So I don't know what to expect for the rest of the package. So let's go ahead and get to it. What is this? Ooh, is this like a poster? Oh man, look at that. Oh, that is nice. Definitely got to get some picture frames for this. Looks like some individual posters of some sort. Let's go ahead and move this out of the way. All right, here we go. Out of the sleeve, we have the 1964 and a half. Of course, this is the 50 year. Got the 65s, GT350, 67, 68. Oh man, it looks like it runs through the years. Oh, dude, this is awesome. 77 Mustang 2 Cobra 2. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, this definitely has all of the generations. 1982 Fox body. Look at that. Beautiful SVO, man. And it's funny, in Wyoming, when we were driving, there was a black SVO parked on the side. Didn't get to take a picture of it, but man, it was beautiful. 93 SVT Cobra in the iconic teal. Of course, the fan blades. God, those wheels are awesome. A lot of people don't like those wheels, but I definitely do. Of course, you have the SN95, the 94 Mustang GT, the last of the 5-liter. Well, actually, maybe the 95 still had the 5-liter, but 94, 95 still had 96 Cobra, 99 35th, 2001 Bullet. There we go. Highland Green or Dark Highland Green. Also came in True Blue and Black. Got the 2012 Boss 302. Man, look at that. There we go. 2005 GT, California Special, GT 500. Best GT 500 right there, the 2013. And then here you go. Finishing off with the S550. Man, that is awesome, dude. I got to find some picture frames because I would love to have these displayed, especially with all of the generations celebrating the 50 year. That is freaking sweet, dude. Thank you so much for these. They do have info front and back, but I still want to put them in a picture frame. I think that would be an awesome display to have them laid out. So thank you so much for that, man. That is sweet. All right, here we go. What is this? Uh-oh, we see a Brickyard. Oh, there we go. Check it out. 94 Premier Edition of the Mark Martin. Look at that. I do not have this one. I do have a Mark Martin in these Premier box sets, but not the Brickyard 400. One of 20,000. That is sweet right there. Dude, thank you so much, man. Yeah, that is nice. Gosh, dude. There are so many Mark Martins. Like, I swear I have at least 25, maybe 30 different versions and variations and releases of Mark Martin cars. All of his Thunderbirds, or at least a majority, the Ford Taurus, and they just keep coming out. This one is definitely one that I don't have. I mean, even down to, yes, I do have ones with the Reese's trunk, but not with the Reese's on the front hood. Like, just so many versions, man. So many versions. All right, let's see. Here we... Oh, what? Look at this. Dude. Here we go. Look at that beauty, man. Oh, that is awesome. Ford Thunderbird with the toolbox. Of course, the Valvoline number 6, man. Let me see. I don't think I have this one. Yeah, I don't think I do. Even if, yeah, no, I only have I have the pit crew. I have a bunch of other stuff, more Mark Martin stuff in this tote, and I highly, highly doubt I even have this one. It's always good to see the Hot Wheels Pro Racing Series, especially when it comes to the pit crew stuff. These little toolboxes are just so cool. So cool, man. Look at that. This is a 1998 release for this one. All right, let's see. What do we have down here? Oh, here we go. Auto Trader for Joey Logano. Nice. You got Joey Logano and Brad Keselowski. The number 2. I don't know if I have this one. Well, I guess when I'm thinking about it, I'm thinking about Austin Cindric, which I do have the chase piece for. We do have Austin Cindric's number 2. So this is one of the 187 scales. I do still collect these. I just haven't seen these in such a long time. I don't even know if they still make these. Let's see, what year was this released? This is a 2019, 2020. So yeah, I think I do have this one. But either way, another one is another one. Both Mustangs always welcomed to the channel. No, look at this. Chopper Bob. Holy crap. My man still remembers Chopper Bob. Gosh, we do need to hire him back for the track. Dude, that is super cool. Check it out. Skyfire. That is cool. Definitely a cool one. It would be a huge upgrade to what he was flying in. So that is cool, my dude. Maybe we'll see him back on the track. I don't know if he wants to come back, but we will definitely throw Chopper Bob some extra salary to see if he wants to come back and fly over the track again. And then last thing right here, guys, we have some red, white, and blue pins, which of course, you guys know, we always represent the red, white, and blue proudly on this channel. Nice. Thank you so much for that, man. All right, let's go ahead and make some room. Check this out, guys. Awesome stuff from Steve and Walter. Thank you guys so much. Huge thanks for this trade, man. These were 2 beautiful pieces to add to the collection. And then, of course, the extras, man. That is awesome, especially with the Mark Martin stuff. And like I said, the Mark Martin's Brickyard 400 don't have. And this one, I am like 99% sure I do not have that as well. So some more additions to the NASCAR collection. Of course, the number 6. Then we got Chopper Bob. If you guys don't know who Chopper Bob is, he was definitely the funniest aerial commentator for our races. He hasn't been around in a while. I don't know if he just was upset about all the track changes with what we got going on down here, but maybe we'll see him come back. And then, of course, from Walter, this beautiful ultra red 2-pack. Man, 2 awesome chases added to the collection. So yeah, that is all we have. If you enjoyed it, give it a huge thumbs up. And as always, comment down below your thoughts on anything we showcased. And yeah, that is all we have. So until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.